Are you looking for the best smart doorbell camera? In this video, we will look at some of the best smart doorbell camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wired Camera. This slick doorbell can alert you to packages on your porch, as well as to people, animals, and cars going by. Its wide, 180-degree field of view and square aspect ratio reduce blind spots so you can see people and packages. Compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, with a compatible base station such as the Arlo Smart Hub, Google Assistant, IFTTT, Samsung SmartThings. The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wired is our top pick because, along with its great hardware and fast response times, it can accurately distinguish among people, animals, vehicles, or packages. This means it also keeps false alerts, a problem with many other models, to a minimum. For that advanced sensing and the ability to capture video clips up to 5 minutes long, you need a $3 per month Arlo Secure subscription. But we find these features to be essential, and the price is fair, otherwise you're restricted to motion/bell alerts and live video streaming. The Arlo doorbell camera also captures crisp video, with a 1536 by 1536 resolution and a wide, 180-degree viewing angle in a square format. This provides a comprehensive vertical and horizontal view of what's going on in front of your door, whether it's deliveries or visiting raccoons. Number 2. Eufy Security Video Doorbell 2K Camera. This affordable smart doorbell packs a lot of complex features, including a 2K image, person detection, local storage, customizable responses, and a separate wireless chime. The Eufy Security Video Doorbell 2K, wired, has a lot of included features that most other companies charge for, including enough internal memory to store up to 30 days worth of video and the ability to distinguish between people and other motion, such as from birds or swaying branches. The Arlo, however, was a little more accurate in this area. The wired Eufy doesn't have as wide a viewing angle as the Arlo, but it creates clear recordings, as long as it detects motion, for up to 5 minutes. It stores those clips in its 4 GB of built-in memory or Eufy's cloud service, which offers 30 days of history for $3 per month per camera, or $30 per year per camera. Although this Eufy model draws power from your existing doorbell wires, it doesn't work with your existing chime. But it does come with its own wireless plug-in chime, so that isn't really a problem. Number 3. Eufy Security Video Doorbell 2K Camera. The best battery-operated doorbell camera. Similar to our runner-up model, this doorbell offers a clear 2K image and options for cloud and local storage. However, it doesn't need doorbell wiring because it has a battery that can operate for up to 4 months on a full charge. Just because you don't have doorbell wiring doesn't mean you can't have a video doorbell. We like the Eufy Security Video Doorbell 2K, battery-powered, because it combines solid performance with a strong battery that lasts about 4 months. It can store up to 6 months worth of footage on the included base station, or you can opt for Eufy's cloud service, which offers 30 days of video history for $3 per month per camera, or $30 per year per camera. It also delivers a bright 2K image and clear two-way audio. Unlike with its hardwired counterpart, with this model recording is limited to 60-second clips. And, as with many battery-operated models, this one may leave a small gap in between those events if motion continues. However, this model's performance and flexibility make it the best option for people who need to go wire-free. Number 4. Ring Video Doorbell Wired Camera. An affordable alternative. This compact doorbell camera doesn't have the same perks as our other picks, but it's cheap and easy to install, and it delivers solid performance. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired is the solid sub-$100 doorbell camera we've been waiting for. It's smaller than most Ring doorbells, and cheaper, too. It captures clear 1080p images, and it delivers accurate motion and person alerts. However, it needs to be hardwired. It works only with Amazon Alexa, and it doesn't offer detailed alerts or local storage, as some of our other picks do. And even though it's inexpensive, it requires a Ring Protect Basic plan, which starts at $3 per month or $30 per year, to record motion events.